Hi everybody, in this video we're going to add some Xyicons to our space, so let's get started. Xyicons are real-world objects that you want to track for your project. You know, the ones that usually live in your spreadsheets in boring rows and columns? Some of them might not even live in your spreadsheet, but you still need to keep track of them. Just like with all modules in Space Runner, your Xyicons can be anything. Now remember, to create Xyicons in Space Runner, you must first have your catalog items set up. Your trial includes some sample catalog models, but to create your own, make sure to check out the catalog video. Alright, let's start adding some Xyicons. First, I need to open my space in the Space Editor. Open the catalog panel from the toolbar to see all the catalog items that have been created for my Space Runner organization. I can even dock the panel for easier access. Simply drag and drop the catalog items onto the space. Each catalog item that I place creates a new Xyicon based on that catalog template. Now that I have some new Xyicons added, let me quickly edit their details. As you can see, Xyicons also have types. The Xyicon type determines the fields I can see on the screen. Xyicon types and fields are configured under Settings. To move a Xyicon, just drag it around. I can also move a group of Xyicons. Use the Rotate button on the action bar to turn them in the desired direction. Here's something cool. Every time I add a Xyicon, it's listed in the Xyicons tab. When I click on a row, I'm immediately taken to that Xyicon. Pretty helpful, right? Next, let's talk about unplotted Xyicons. When I drag a catalog model onto a space, I am creating, or plotting, a new Xyicon. If I delete this Xyicon, Space Runner removes it permanently. But there may be some times I want to remove a Xyicon from the space, but not delete it. We call those unplotted Xyicons. For example, instead of deleting this cluster of Xyicons, I'll just unplot them and they'll be stored in the Unplotted Xyicons panel. When I am ready to see them again, all I need to do is drag and drop them on the space. As you can see, all the Xyicons details are intact. Okay, so far we've seen how to add Xyicons from scratch, but there are plenty of other ways to add them to your space. Let's check them out. Copying and stamping are two methods that you can use to clone your Xyicons. To copy, I just have to select one or more Xyicons. Select Copy from the action bar, and click where I want to paste the Xyicon. The stamping tool comes in handy when you want to make more than one copy. For example, this chair is a standard piece of furniture throughout my space. So, I'll select the Copy to Stamp option and click where I want the Xyicons placed. A click here, a click there, couple more, and presto. To get out of the Copy to Stamp mode, simply use the Escape key on your keyboard. Now, if you thought that was cool, check this out. I'm going to copy some Xyicons and paste it to, a spreadsheet. I can also copy my spreadsheet data onto the Space Editor. I will explain this more in detail in a separate video. So far, we've been designing our space using the Space Editor. If we want to see the data behind the Xyicons, we need to move to the Xyicon module. To navigate to the module, select Xyicons from the main menu. In this module, I can see all my Xyicons in my portfolio, not just a single space. Use the Quick Find on the action bar, or the Filter tab to quickly find Xyicons. Edit Xyicon details, and connect documents. Create curated lists of Xyicons and share them with your team using views. As you can see, I have views set up to show all computers, all electrical, all furniture, and all Xyicons. I can even export the table of Xyicons to Microsoft Excel, PDF, or CSV formats. Don't forget to check out the Views video to learn more. And finally, using the Quick Links button, I can locate my Xyicon on the space in the space editor. And that covers the basics of Xyicons. I hope you gained some understanding of the power of Xyicons and how they can make your job easier. Thank you for watching.